Assalamu alaikum everyone, Sadia Gondal here, and once again I welcome you all from the platform of Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 5 chapter number 12, and the topic of the chapter is Zara and the Villagers. So let's start. Again on page number 83 we will be doing joining words. The definition of joining words is very simple. Any word that join the two phrases or join the parts of sentences are called as joining words. The joining words that we will be learning today are for example and for instance. Let's learn their usage. We use for example in this sentence. For example, you can buy fruit here, and then there is a list of fruit: apples, bananas, mangoes. Again, the next sentence is there are many causes of air pollution. For example, vehicles, exhaust fumes. Again, you are giving a list to the reader. So whenever you are giving a list to the reader, you use the words for example or for instance. Let's read the example sentences. For instance, what would you do, for instance, if you found your friend telling a lie? Several of his friends came, Ali, Suhail and Muhib, for instance. Now let's make two sentences from our own side using the joining word given above. The first sentence would be, you can go in any direction, for example, north, south, east, west. Second sentence of for example would be, you can play any sport, for example, cricket, hockey, badminton. And then the example sentence for instance will be, there are many changes. For instance, now we can use two gates for entering into school. And the second sentence for instance will be, he was served different dishes. For instance, biryani, pasta, soup. The last question on this page is about writing skills, and you have been asked to write a short dialogue between a teacher and a student about the importance of female education. So let's write this dialogue. Student: Assalamu alaikum teacher, hope you're doing well. Teacher: Walaikum assalam, yes, very well, and hope the same at your side. Student: why is female education so important, teacher? Teacher: it is because an educated nation depends upon an educated mother. In a house, a woman plays a very important role. Student: how can females be helpful for us after getting education, teacher? Teacher says, they can teach their kids well, and they can also earn money to support their family if there is any problem. Student: I see. Now I've understood it clearly. Teacher: always remember, for a developed nation, female education is a must. Thank you everyone for listening. Keep watching. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.